Hello, I, Dr. S.B. Donde, Associate Professor in the Department of ENTC Engineering of AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this lecture, I am going to explain the fundamentals of sequential circuits. What is a sequential circuit? A definition of sequential circuit. A sequential logic circuit is one whose output depends not only on its current input but also on the past sequence of the input. If you look into the figure of a sequential circuit, it has a memory element. It has a memory element, and its output it not only depends upon the input but also it depends upon the memory element. It means the past input. So this is the fundamental difference between a sequential circuits and combinational circuit. In combinational circuit, there is no such memory element. There is no such memory element. So therefore, a sequential circuit can be used as a combinational circuit, but combinational circuit cannot be used as a sequential circuit. So examples of the sequential circuits are flip-flop, registers, counters, etc. Okay, a real example, the circuit controlled by a channel up and channel down push button on TV or VCR is a sequential circuit. One bit memory cell. Bistable circuit. Here no inputs are there. It has a two output and two stable state. Two stable state, it means either Q equal to 0 or Q equal to 1. Now we'll see the working of this particular one bit memory cell, how one bit is latched or stored in this particular circuit. Now if we consider if Q is equal to high, then a bottom inverter has a high input and it has a low output, which force the top inverter output is high. If we consider another case, if Q equal to low, then the bottom inverter low input and it has a high output, which force to 0, Q equal to 0. Thus there are two possible state, either Q equal to 0 or Q equal to 1. Now we'll see the one more fundamental concept. Always there is a question, what is the difference between the latches and the flip-flop? So latches and flip-flops are the basic building block of most sequential circuit. The memory element used in a clock sequential circuits are also called as a flip-flop, or a flip-flop circuit has two output, one for normal value and one for complement value of the bit stored in it. So basically the fundamental difference between the latch and flip-flop, a latch output follows the input as long as the clock is high. As long as the clock is high, it means latches are level triggered. Latches are level triggered. Whereas flip-flop input transfer to output at the time of positive or negative transition of the clock. It means flip-flops are age triggered. So there is a fundamental difference. Latches are level triggered, whereas the flip-flops are age triggered. So this is a fundamental difference between the latch and flip-flop. Thank you.